Hello, my name is Mercury. I'm one of the fastest characters in our solar system. I've zipped here to Earth to see a rare event, a total eclipse of the moon. Watch as it's already started behind me. Every so often in the spring or fall, the moon, the Earth, and the sun line up perfectly, so the moon travels into Earth's shadow. It's quite a sight to see. It only happens on the night of a full moon, so a lunar eclipse is visible during the nighttime hours. At first, we saw Earth's shadow on the moon. It looked a lot like a solar eclipse, but an eclipse of the moon is safe to look at. But when most of the moon gets covered by Earth's shadow, the colorful light that's streaming through our atmosphere casts an eerie red glow on the surface of the moon. Take a look. It's happening now. All big things have gravity, and Earth is so big that it has enough gravity to hold an atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere isn't perfectly clear. It's full of dust, clouds, pollution. So when sunlight passes through it, it creates a translucent kind of shadow, colored fiery red, yellow, or orange, caused by sunlight getting scattered through all of that stuff in our atmosphere. After about 90 minutes, the moon moves out of Earth's shadow. It begins to brighten and becomes less and less colorful, going from that eerie red to its usual white color. The moon continues to move out of Earth's shadow, and in about an hour, everything is back to normal. The whole thing lasts about 4 hours. The next lunar eclipse that we can see from our area will be on April 15th, so mark your calendar. The only problem is that it's going to happen at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we'll probably sleep through the whole thing. Hi, it's me, Mercury again. I've traveled back to my neighborhood on the sun, where we'll take a look at a lunar eclipse through my solar telescope. I keep it here inside an igloo to keep cool. At first, it looks like a perfectly normal day in our solar system. In the distance, you can see the Earth and the moon, but today the moon's orbit will take it directly behind the Earth. Watch as the moon travels into the shadow of Earth's atmosphere. That scatters the sunlight and illuminates the moon with some very vibrant colors. Don't panic, though. In about 4 hours, the moon will emerge from behind Earth, and the lunar eclipse will be over. Next, let's visit Tranquility Base on the moon. This is where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first men to step foot on the moon. From here, the sun looks pretty small because it's 93 million miles away. We're actually behind the Earth, so you might call it the new Earth phase. Just like the new moon phase, it's out there, but we just can't see its dark side. We're so close to Earth that the perspective makes it look bigger than the sun. Watch as the Earth covers the sun. See the glow of the sunlight scattering through Earth's atmosphere. It's turning the moon into an eerie place. For lunatics like us, it's kind of like a total eclipse of the sun. Well, all good things must come to an end, and this astronomical light show, like my short video, will soon be over.